Listen and read. The strange eggs.
Look! Let's help the animals. Good idea.
Yes, I like animals.
These are guinea pigs.
And these are baby rabbits. They're small. What are these?
They're white mice.
And these are snakes.
It's okay, Einstein. Don't worry.
Wow, it's a big spider. It's got 8 legs.
Oh no! Where's Einstein? Look, what are these?
They're eggs.
Bad dog, bad cat.
Oh dear.
Be careful, Ben.
Okay.
6 eggs. Okay, that's good. The next day.
Look, is it a baby parrot?
No, it isn't. Look, no feathers. But it's got a shell.
Oh, it's a baby tortoise.
Yes. Now let's go outside and see the mum.